Hello everyone. Today we will learn how we can use BB Virtual application in our Android devices and tabs, and we can play the lectures from it. So the first thing we need to do is we have to open Play Store, search for BB Virtuals, and you will have to install it. As we have already installed it in our device, there is no install option, but you will be getting it. I have provided in the Google Drive, like the open lectures, books and Q&A. Here you will be getting the questions, whatever tests are done, and examples. Software is there for computer, and instruction file we will be putting here for Android. Now what we need is actually this serial number. You will have to copy it home screen. Now the application is downloaded. We will open the application, click on go to lectures, allow. Now you will have to select the documents folder, click on your device name, click on documents, click on use this folder, allow. Now what you have to do is you have to click on three dots, click on add subject, paste the serial key which we have copied, check subject, confirm add subject. Now you have to fill all the details. Okay, so first you need to click on check key, create a password here. Name, just an example. City, mobile number for the OTP, click on get OTP, enter the OTP, check OTP, select the exam month and year you are gonna give, click on activate. So intent successfully activated. As you can see, the CA CMA regular Hindi batch. Click on this. Now for live students, what they need to do is whenever live starts, they will have to click on three dots, and this live stream option will appear only for live students and at the time of live only. Click on it, enter the password which you have created. Click on check live stream and join live stream. The live is started. As live cannot be recorded on screen, so it is not appearing. Now what we can do is now for the students who need to download the lectures and play, for GD students and for the recorded students, they will have to click on this, click to check for content online. Click on it. Now whatever lectures has been uploaded here, the live lectures, you can download it from here and play. So for an example, let's download any one lecture. So it is downloading. As you can see, it is getting downloaded. Just wait for some time, let it download. It is downloaded. Click on this. Now just click on the lecture and it is
यस पीपल, डन विथ योर ब्रेक। आप लोगों का ब्रेक हो गया, ब्रेक के बाद वापस से आपका स्वागत है करके, ठीक है।
That's it. Thank you.